Hey guys, welcome back to Nails by Meesh. In today's video, we are going to be making some fall floral nails. I am going to be imitating something I found on Pinterest, and I kind of want to do my own twist on it and show you guys how you can make the same nails because it's a different technique on how you get this specific look. But first, let's take a look at the state of my nails right now. So I'm working on those little ghosty nails from the last video, and I want to show you what severe lifting at the free edge looks like. I will preface this by saying severe lifting happens, and for me, this was like one of the first times I've had my nails super short like this, and I literally picked at everything. I was picking at my skin, picking at anything that I could get my hands on because my nails were like, I made them like super thin, and it's been about 3 weeks. So when you are going to be removing lifting, I'm going to show you how you can actually see it and show you that you have to just be as gentle as possible with the e-file. So you can see I'm just like very like gently, like almost like skipping over the nail, not doing like super hard or long strokes with the e-file. They're very short, and you can see I actually just like pulled off a big chunk there. And then you'll see the color discoloration of product. So the pink is like, looks like a lighter shade, and you can actually see it almost looks like a bubble underneath, and that is all lifting. You can see right at the bottom there, right at the tip of the nail. Like I could like put my nail in, I could like go in between it if I wanted to. It would probably hurt because it would start pulling the other product that's still attached to the nail, so you don't want to do that. But it is separating, so we want to remove it, so that what you want to do is you'll gently just keep going over it until it flies off, essentially. And you don't want to then go over the nail again with the e-file, because the carbide bit that I'm using, or like stainless steel or whatever type of bit that you're using, it'll just like cut right through your natural nail, and you don't want to do that. So as soon as that little like lifted piece comes off, you're not filing over that area anymore, and you're moving on. And I'm not showing you prep or shaping. I have other videos that you can go see, just like 1 or 2 videos back. I did do like a really in-depth prep, but now I'm just going to go in and show you the product application. Again, these are like pretty short nails, and the type of application I'm doing is the no file method for builder in a bottle, and you just apply your wetting layer. Then you come in with a bigger dollop, and you just kind of like start it at the cuticle area, and you kind of like push it towards that cuticle without touching the skin, and then you work the product down the nail because you want it thinner near the tip of the nail. You do want to make sure the bulk of the product is in the center or back third-ish area, depending on how long the nail is. You just want to find that stress area, and then you can kind of pull the product back and forth with the tip of the brush, and then that's how you create your apex. And your apex is that bulk of product that I was talking about, and the apex really helps create structure so that your nails don't bend and break as easily. Now I'm going to come in with the color Navy, Royal Navy, from the gel bottle. 2 coats, very thin coats. This gel applies really nicely. Now I'm coming in with my velvet matte top coat from Nail Queen, because this design is half matte, half shiny. So essentially like that's like my top coat for this part of the nails. Now for the flower design, we're using the color Naked. And what you want to do is mix in some top coat. When you mix in the top coat with the color, and this is the color Pina Colada, I forgot to show it, but you mix the top coat in with the color, and what it does is it creates that seal that you want, so it's not sticky at the end. So I can cure this product, and since I already have the matte top coat, that's already like sealed, and then with the top coat in the color, it's already going to be sealed and shiny. So you have that two-tone effect. You have the matte and you have the glossy look mixed together, and then I don't have to apply top coat on top of this gel color at the end. And with creating the flowers, you just I'm just, you know, using a dotting tool and then using my liner brush to pull out the petals and create that like nice little design. And here's the finished look. I think it's really beautiful. This is my twist on that Pinterest design. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing as I post new content every week. I've been uploading more shorts lately, but I will get more into my longer form content. And have a wonderful day, wonderful week. Bye-bye.